Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you how a simple cash register system can be developed. This is a cash register that can be used in a shop or a mini supermarket. Here I have the header, which is written business cash register system, and here I have a label, so which is the balance, another label for the cash. This is a text box for the cash. This is the cash that the customer or the client gives for the goods that he or she has purchased, and here you are supposed to enter the quantity of goods or the product that has been bought. Then here you enter the item code by selecting, so you select it here, and here you enter the code manually. So then here, this is the list box, so which lists all the items that have been bought. Then here I have the refresh button, the reset, and the exit button. So let me exit first so that I can show you the worksheet environment. So in the worksheet environment I have the first sheet which is called data display, so where we have the code. So in the user form, after entering the products, so everything will be calculated automatically here. So this is the code, item, the rate, the quantity, amount, VAT, total amount, and the date the goods were purchased. Then here I've created a receipt. So once our data has been entered, so here they are loaded in this receipt. So after completing the purchase, so the receipt can be printed automatically or saved in PDF format automatically. So I will show you later. So here we have the price list, and this is where we have the item code. So we have the product and the rate. So then here we have a sheet where all the goods that have been bought in that particular day are recorded. So let us go back to the Visual Basic editor, and we see how this simple cash register system works. So here I have the Project Explorer. So this is the user form, and here we have the code. So that is where the coding has been made. So I will explain this later. So let me first show you how this cash register system work. So I just want to load first the combo box. So here we have the data code. So let us go to the user form and we see how it works. So let me load the user form. So for example, a customer has come and is buying an item. So for example, the customer purchased a flash disk. So that is, maybe he purchased 5 flash disks. So in the quantity text box you enter 5, then you select the item code. So that is FL008, which is the code in this case for the flash disk. So we select that and it loads. So this is the amount for the 5 flash disks. For in this case, one flash disk cost 500 shillings. The quantity is 5, so the total amount for 5 flash disks is 2,500. So when you add VAT, in this case, which is 400, so the total becomes 2,900. And this is the date of purchase once the code is selected. So here you can also select a different item. So let's say this is 1. So you select here, so maybe it is VGA, and it is recorded automatically. So let us select one more item. Maybe it is a Wi-Fi USB hardware, and it is also recorded automatically. So if the customer says that that is enough, so he gives the cash of, let's say, 4,500. So you enter, and this is the balance, that is 208. And then once that is done, so a receipt will be generated. So maybe another customer comes, so you have to refresh. So click here, and that is refresh. You can also reset, and these text boxes are cleared together with the combo box. So the new customer buys only one item, so you select the item here, and it is recorded automatically. And maybe the customer gives out 650 shillings. So that is the balance, that is 12 shillings. And that is how this system operates. So in my next video, I will explain how this cash register system is developed. So thank you, and I'm going to click here to exit.